Ngiyibonile yini into eyenziwe uSizwe evikela isithandwa sakhe uGigi Lameni kulabantu abakhulumela kuma-podcast lawa awodumo. Hey bafethu, indoda ekuthanda yenza njena-ke okokuqala. Okwesibili, podcasters come with facts. Tsheliwe ushilo u-reason. Ngicela nibuke le clip, ngicela nibuke le clip. Nibuke ukuthi iqala kanjani into yaphela kanjani. Anibuke.
With this girl, with Gigi Lamane. Who did he downgrade from?
Gigi Lamane?
What? Oh! Ludlove. What?
So he downgraded
From Ludlove.
Bro, what?
A few moments later.
Get the fuck out of here. Don't justify that shit, dog. Don't fucking justify that shit. That shit was foul. That shit was wrong. And on another day, niggas die for shit like that. I could have tested your jaw right now because you tried to justify this shit.
Hayi niyayibonela bafethu, niyayibonela ukuthi umjida akageqi magula ufike ngenye into laphayana ezobuza imibuzo eqavile ukuthi why nenza kanjani bathula osifisa bathi nya kwangakhuluma umuntu. No guys, I believe it was admirable into ayishilo, and a lot of celebrities actually had a lot to say about this because they know ukuthi babantu akhulunywa ngabo in these platforms and whatnot. But what Sizwe done, I don't know if someone else is going to have the guts to do it again in the industry. We do not know. If I say the industry, I mean the entertainment industry in general, not just the piano or hip hop part nje. Entertainment altogether. I know, my faith. I know. Let this be a lesson to many other people out there. You are going to talk about a person on a public platform or on an online platform. Come with facts. That's why I rarely ever do talk about people. I write reviews of TV shows. I base my opinions of what was playing on the screen. Nothing else. What I feel, maybe I can, but I make sure 90% of what I say is based off what I've seen. No, Buffett, thank you so much for coming through. Let's see how this story is going to develop.